Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is verb phrase 120. The verb phrase today is to sew up. All right, sew up something or sew something up. All right, let's look at, we have three meanings here, and we have three examples to cover each meaning. All right, so let's look at the first one. If someone sews up something, he or she repairs or closes something, especially clothes. So this is the most basic meaning of sewing, like you're actually literally sewing with like a needle and thread, especially if you're sewing clothes. All right, let's look at number two. If someone sews up a business deal, this is a common one. Agreement or plan, he or she gets the results that is wanted. So you could sew up a business deal, an agreement, or a plan. Good. And then look at the third one here. If someone sews up a situation or competition, he or she is in control and is certain to win or achieve something. All right, so let's look at the examples here. Example number one. You split your pants in the back. Somebody bent over, maybe behind them. Their pants split in two. So you split your pants in the back. If you ever wear it again, you need to sew it up. Well, at least that pair of pants anyway. Okay, let's look at number two here. We should have this business deal sewn up by the weekend. Yeah, so again, this is the second meaning. You finished the plan, and you got the result that you want, basically. So, yes, it's all ready. You've finished by the weekend. It should be all sewn up. All right, and let's look at number three here. The Yankees are 10 games ahead of the second place team in their division. This is during the year just before postseason, like going to playoffs, with only 2 weeks to go before the end of the season. So it looks pretty good, like they're going to win. If they're 10 games ahead, usually one game a day, maybe there's only 14 games left. So pretty much the Yankees are going to win. Any combination of either the Yankees winning 2 games or the second place team losing another 2 games, they would be eliminated, and the Yankees would definitely win. So chances are the Yankees are not going to lose every single game, and the second place team is not going to win every single game. That's probably very unlikely. Okay, so we can say this. The Yankees are 10 games ahead of the second place team in their division with only 2 weeks to go before the end of the season. It looks like they have the pennant all sewn up. Yeah, so again, or at least their division all sewn up. So they're definitely going to win that one. And then, of course, usually I think they go to the playoffs. If they win the playoffs, then usually they win the pennant. All right, anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it's clear. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.